we can talk about, the investors and what they're pushing for, but let's talk about that in the context of Equinox Gold. And you've been very candid about this. You can see that the stock has underperformed bullion and it has underperformed its peers. And you've been candid about some of the operational issues that have kind of resulted in this. Can you, give us broad strokes in your analysis on what were you hoping to do with Equinox? Where did it get derailed? And then how do you see the path back?
Yeah, good question. Embarrassing question, but good question. So, we started Equinox at the beginning of 2018. It was meant to be, like my swan song company and focus on gold, take advantage of the bull run that I thought was going to happen in the gold price and, build something with a really big company. That was the objective. So we started with a couple of exploration plays. We built a mine. We bought a mine. Then we did a merger with a company called Leo Gold, which was a disaster. That was a big mistake. Even though that was during COVID, the stock had a wonderful run. It went from $5 to $15, and then we had a problem in Mexico that with one of the mines that we acquired through that deal called Los Filos, and we just hit a intransigent local community. Let's just say that, and we've had nothing but problems, and it resulted in us actually shutting the mine down this year to say to the community, we are serious. We have to have a new agreement. We can't live with the old agreement. So the mine is shut down right now, and that has not helped us one bit. Especially this year.
And did you not see, you didn't see that coming? Because you've done so many deals. You've done so many deals in the past.
I know. I just missed it. I take a lot of personal credit. I've done really well in Mexico. I've built mines, operated mines, 3 or 4 or 5 different times in my career. And it's been a great place. I love Mexico. Sometimes a company has unions that are by and large typically understanding. They're tough, but you can make a deal with them. And other times you get a union that's led by somebody who's an ideologue or a militant or very hostile to the whole corporate ethos. And the solution is a company goes on strike. And those strikes tend to last a while.